Hello children, welcome for today's biology practical class. So today we are going to study regarding controlled pollination technique. So for this purpose I have taken hibiscus flower, polythene bag, forceps and scissors. So now let us start with the practicals. So in the hibiscus flower, they are bisexual because they have androecium and gynoecium both. So here the androecium, it has to be removed. Mainly the anther portion, it has to be removed before maturation. So by means of this technique, artificial hybridization method, so we can combine the desired qualities, desired characters, it can be combined to produce superior varieties. So for this purpose, first I am removing all the anthers before digestion. So the anthers, it has to be removed because it prevents the self-pollination of the flower. As it is bisexual, there is a chance of self-pollination. So that's why the anthers are removed before maturation. So after removing all the anthers, now can you see the stigma? The stigma portion, that is the gynoecium portion, So stigma is there. So here upon the stigma, so we can dust the pollen grains of the desirable quality flower. So now I am dusting the pollen grain upon the stigma of the first flower where emasculation is done. So now the pollen grains are shifted to the stigma by means of artificial cross-pollination technique. So now after this one, now we are covering with the help of a polythene. So now I am using a green colored polythene. You can use any transparent polythene also. While tying, you have to allow some air movement because the flower, it needs little bit aeration. So this method you call that as bagging. So once the bagging is over, and you have to allow the plant for some days. So now the cross pollination is done and the desirable qualities are combined, and whatever the seeds developing from here so they will be showing the desirable quality. What we need we have combined, so it may produce the desirable qualities. So actually while selecting the desirable pollen grain of the flower, it has to be used.